Okay, first of all, why we use this method of tip cutting is because the plant will always stay true to its parent. I can cut this plant one time, 1,000 times. It should always stay true, and this color will always come. Seed types, they can be a little more variable. If you have parent A and parent B, there might be all the different varieties that might come from those two types of plant. Not always. Some things stay true to seed, but this plant will always stay the same. And another reason I like to use this method is because you can get a plant in 3 to 5 weeks. I did this plant 3 weeks ago, and I have a full plant that's rooted. Whereas typically in Massachusetts we don't grow too many bananas, but I found this seed banana, and the instructions are sow the seeds for 24 hours in warm water. After germination can be slow and erratic, taking 1 to 6 months. I don't really want to wait 6 months to get a banana plant. I want to think if I can get a better way to get a banana plant, but we'll come back to that later.